Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, mobile office, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, and we do get a Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. You do get a tough bed and spray liner. You got some outlets, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You get a bed light as well. Some measurements on the back here, and it is powered, and it'll go down automatically for you. And let's just say you're carrying a lot of goods and you want to lift it up. All you have to do, lift it up with your knee, and it will go up automatically. We do get mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platformed gripped running board with remote start. We do get side view camera, lights, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front with a hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, B&O sound system. We got floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders, heated back seats, 2 USB seats, and 120 volt. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, that B&O sound system again, auto stop assert, spotlights, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 14.3 kilometers. We do have this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our digital speedometer there, my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicles ahead of me, just limit your distractions and all. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets. That does close. You got that interior work surface with the mobile office package. Just allows you to put a laptop here or your meal, totally up to you. And you do get your storage underneath as well. Drive modes, rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats as well, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here with a nice powered rear window opener. We get our features for our twin panel moonroof as well, and garage storage transmitter. We do get a 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, traction, park assist, and looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls right here, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and features. And we do get BLUECRUISE with this vehicle, which is Ford self-driving. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA65769, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.